All right, let us answer this question here. It says a paper business, P, supplies paper to the school, the local library, and 4 other nearby businesses, TUVW. The network diagram below shows the connections between these locations. The edges represent the roads connecting the locations. The numbers on the edges indicate the distance in kilometers between the locations. So here it is right here. It says last Monday, a delivery driver left from the business P, so he left from business P here, and delivered paper to the school, the library, and the 4 other businesses, TUVW. He returned to the paper business when all the deliveries were complete. The distance he traveled last Monday was 50 kilometers. What is the route that the driver could have traveled to make his deliveries? So what I did here is I just first thought to myself, all right, what happens if he did this? So he went like this, 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 and this. I'm like, all right, what if that happens? And then I added them all up. So I added them all up, and what I found is I got a number too big. So I'm like, all right, I need to minimize this as much as possible. How can I make this smaller? Well, I know that I have to get to V, right? Now, I don't want to use this 7 and 9. I would prefer to use this 4 and 6 because that's a smaller number, right? 4 and 6 is smaller. So I'm like, all right, can I use 4 and 6? I'm like, well, yes. All I need to do is do this. So I can start, I'm starting at P and ending at P. I would just go like this. Like that. And now, when I calculate that, 8 plus 10 plus 4 plus 6 plus 7 plus 10 plus 5. That's 50. So that's my answer. So I started at P, and I went S, T, V, U, L, W, back to P. So P, S, T, V, U, L, W, P. And that is our answer. P, S, T, V, U, L, W, P. P, S, T, V, U, L, W, P. So that's how I approached the question. Thinking back now, when I first did it and I went through this way, I went like this my first attempt. I'm like, oh, I need it to be smaller in order to get the 50. I could have said, well, 7 and 9 make 16, right? That's 16. And then over here, 4 and 6, that makes 10, right? So if I do this pathway, I'm going to have a reduction in 6. And I know that the other pathway was 56, so the other one would be 50. So I could have immediately confirmed that I had done it correctly that way. But yeah, that's how I thought it through. Let me know if you thought of it through another way. But that is it. Hopefully you found this helpful.